Tom is a very lazy man. He loves sitting on the couch, watching TV, and eating pizza. He does not like cooking. He does not like cleaning. He does not like standing up. Tom has a pet parrot named Coco. Coco is very smart. He listens to everything Tom says. Coco does not like boring food. He loves exciting food. But Tom never shares his food. One day, Tom wakes up late. He looks at his phone. "Oh no," Tom says. "It's already 12 o'clock. It's time for lunch." But there is one problem. Tom does not have food. He opens the fridge. Empty. He opens the cabinets. Empty. He looks in the trash can. Not a good idea. Tom sighs. "I must order pizza." Coco watches Tom. Coco knows what will happen next. Tom grabs his phone and calls the pizza place. "Hello, Pizza Palace. What would you like to order?" Tom smiles. "One large cheese pizza with extra cheese, extra sauce, and extra love." The pizza man says, "Your pizza will arrive in 20 minutes. Tom is happy. He sits on the couch. Coco watches him. Coco loves pizza, but Tom never shares. Coco has a great idea. Coco listens to Tom every day. Tom always says, pizza, I love pizza." Coco knows these words very well. Maybe, Coco thinks, I can get the pizza first. The doorbell rings. Ding dong. Tom is too lazy to stand up. He looks at the door. 5 more minutes, he says. The pizza man knocks. Knock, knock. Tom does not move. Ugh, Tom says. Why is my life so difficult? Coco shakes his head. He flaps his wings and flies to the door. Coco lands on the doorknob. He pushes. The door opens. The pizza man is confused. Huh? He looks around. He does not see a person. He only sees a parrot. Then Coco shouts, pizza. I love pizza. The pizza man laughs. Oh, a talking parrot. That's amazing. Coco flaps his wings. Pizza. I love pizza. The pizza man shrugs. Okay. Here's your pizza. He hands the pizza box to Coco. Coco grabs the box with his feet and flies to the kitchen. The pizza man smiles. Wow, that is the best customer ever. He walks away, shaking his head. Meanwhile, Tom is still sitting on the couch. 5 minutes later, Tom finally stands up. He stretches his arms. Oh no, that was too much exercise, he says. He walks slowly to the door. He looks outside. No pizza. He scratches his head. Where is my pizza? Then Tom hears a sound. Crunch, crunch, crunch. Tom follows the sound. He walks into the kitchen. Coco is sitting on the table. The pizza box is open. The pizza is almost gone. Tom's eyes get big. His mouth drops open. Coco, he whispers, what are you doing? Coco looks up. Coco has cheese on his beak. Coco has tomato sauce on his feathers. Coco has a big piece of pizza in his mouth. Coco swallows. Then Coco says, pizza. I love pizza. Tom screams, Coco. Tom sits on the floor. He is sad. He is hungry. Coco, why? Tom asks. Coco tilts his head. Pizza. I love pizza. Tom sighs. Okay, you win. Next time we share. Coco flaps his wings. Share, share, share. Tom laughs. Fine, but only if you learn a new sentence. Coco nods. New sentence, Tom thinks. How about, I will not steal pizza? Coco looks at Tom. Then Coco says, pizza. I love pizza. Tom sighs. Oh boy. The next day, Tom orders another pizza. This time he shares. And Coco is the happiest parrot in the world. The end.